All right, today we are over at the Badlands again in Attica, Indiana. A little bit of an overcast day, but we're having a pretty good time. We've been splashing around in the mud in the RZRs, but now we're going to do a little bit of RC car rock crawling. Axial Fest is next weekend here. We're not going to make it because we've got a championship off-road round. So we figured we'd come out today for day before Father's Day and do a little bit of rock crawling. For those of you that have never been to Attica or Badlands, pretty cool place. You know, this is the rock quarry, and you can pretty much bring whatever you want here and try to climb through the mud, climb up the rocks. A lot of Jeeps, you know, like this Jeep right here is going to go up and over that guy. A lot of fun. This place has been around a long time and never seems to get old. So we used to come here with four-wheelers back in the day, and now we're doing it with kids and RZRs. So I'm hoping to see this Jeep climb up there real quick and you can kind of see what they do. Mate's carrying that tire. Certainly if you were in that Jeep, that would feel a lot bigger than it does watching it on video. He's climbing up probably something that's about 6 foot vertical. It's wet out. I've been up that in the RZR, and that right there at the base is actually a puddle, so that's pretty awesome. Then if we go over this way, if that made you a little dizzy, but, this is where the more extreme rock crawlers would go. Looks like somebody went up this earlier today. This is a big area for the Axial Fest. We did another video a couple weeks ago, and this is where we were at, kind of playing around. There's some extreme rock crawlers right here, playing in the water with their bombers.
This is quicksand.
Oh wow.
I moved my rig for it, and it just sucked.
Yeah.
And I flipped off this rock into it.
Uh-oh. Hang on, wait, here's a truck. All right. So this is actually, they know we're out here with the RC cars and they're fine with it. The people of Badlands, or I assume so, they saw them and said, yeah, go have fun. But it still is an ORV park, and it's where those guys have more of a right to this than what we do with the RC cars this weekend. So, but everybody plays nice together. Oh, nice. Oh, no! You know, I wanted to say it really bad. Bomber down, bomber down! No, bomber flip, bomber flip. Our first video, we said that, and it's kind of annoyed all three of us and Catherine, so now it's just kind of a funny thing. Bomber flip, bomber flip. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go through the big puddle and up that, and then keep going up to the big rock.
Oh. Uh-oh. Nice. There you go, Braden. Up the rock. Oh no! Floor! When you're flipping over backwards real quick.
Then I'm gonna go up to that big rock over there.
You know, those cappers are cool too, but I think for like right here, these with this mud and all this, I really think that these bombers are good bashers.
You can definitely beat bombers up way more than cactus.
Think so? Yeah. Are those cicadas?
Huh?
Hear that noise?
Yeah.
Those aren't cicadas, but that background noise sounds almost like cicadas, but I think they're too far north.
I'm lucky I stopped.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you are. Launch it off there. See what it does.
Do not
Or try to crawl down it.
Right.
Is it deep?
It's very deep.
Oh yeah, it's 'cause two tires. These are. You know what these are?
You ready?
Those are tires. Those are tire marks from somebody trying to climb up that. And then on this rock,
How did you get up there?
it's big vehicles, man. And on that rock, look at that. That's all scratches.
Want me to send it?
Scratching a rock. That's
Daddy,
takes a
I'm
lot.
scared there's nothing falling on that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, they're going the other way. Yeah, let's go for it, Brayden. See what happens. Boom! That didn't work out well, did it?
No.
Yeah, it did a little different that time. First time he did this, he twisted right there. Boom! That was cool. Nice job, dude. Nice job. Ooh, that's a hole.
Yeah.
Nice. What are you conquering over there, Caleb?
I just jumped up that. There we go.
I know you can scratch rocks, but this is just crazy how gouged the rocks are
I know.
from the vehicles.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, I mean, it's just massive. Like a saw was coming through
chunks
here.
out of them.
Yeah, think of what it's doing to the frame rails of a vehicle. Oh, nice. Brayden, what's your favorite thing about a bomber?
They're big.
They're big.
That's why I got the blue one, because it has a B on the front.
Yeah, a
and
bomb
these
on it.
first right letter of my name.
These look so cool, don't they? He's doing it. That's amazing, man. That's absolutely amazing. Oh, duty dug. Whoa! Look at that, dude. I think the truck's gonna go for it. It's got 45s on that monster. This guy's got bad skills, man, because that's not a straight up crawler. Oh, I hope he does. Down whatever he is. Oh, he walked right up it. Wow, we've been coming here for a long time. That's the first time we got to see that. What happens when your bomber is upside down?
My dad says bomber flip, bomber flip.
Bomber flip, bomber flip. I don't know, we think it's funny.